Major road construction has led to congestion and tie-ups on I-70 in Hancock County. CBS 4's Levi Harvey talked to frustrated drivers and tells us how long the headaches will last.
I-70 Hancock County is ATL, so added travel lanes. So we are adding a lane on each side, both eastbound and westbound, just to accommodate for the high frequency of travelers.
As construction continues for a section of I-70 in Hancock County, drivers are feeling the effects.
Accidents on 70 happen quite frequently, I think, due to construction. And especially with semis.
On Thursday, a semi-truck overturned eastbound on I-70, forcing the roads to close. Drivers were stuck for hours.
Speed is a really big thing that we're seeing with this project. And with increased speed, that kind of tends to lead people towards more aggressive driving as well.
For many drivers in Hancock County, this 10-mile stretch down I-70 continues to be a big problem. One driver I talked to says she tries to avoid it altogether.
I just avoid it. It's gotten so bad that I'd rather take Raymond all the way down and deal with the stoplights than to deal with the traffic.
Officials with Hancock County 911 say until construction is over, drivers need to pay attention to help avoid accidents.
We need to follow those construction zone speed limits, make sure that we don't have a phone in our hand, that we're paying attention to the cars and trucks in front of us, slow down and just pay attention to what we're doing.
For now, drivers will have to be patient. NDOT says the project should be complete by the end of next year. In Hancock County, Levi Harvey, CBS 4 News.